Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Is your iPhone flashlight not turning on? Is the flashlight icon grayed out? Or does it turn on but not work properly? Don't worry, in this guide, I will show you simple fixes that will get your flashlight working again in just a few minutes. Let's fix it. Most people don't know this, but your iPhone flashlight uses the same LED flash as the camera. If the camera app is open or stuck in the background, the flashlight may not work. Here's how you can fix this. Swipe up and open the app switcher. Find and close the camera app. And now try turning on the flashlight again from the control center. If it was a camera conflict, it should work now. Sometimes the issue is physical. Make sure your case isn't covering the flash. Check if there's dirt or debris near the camera module and clean it gently with a microfiber cloth. If your iPhone was dropped recently, the LED may also be affected. After cleaning or removing the case, test the flashlight again. A simple restart can fix many small software glitches on iPhone. Here's how you can fix it. Press and hold the side button and either the volume up or volume down buttons. Slide to power off. Wait 10 seconds and turn the device back on. Now try enabling the flashlight again. If nothing has worked so far, we will just reset the iPhone settings. This does not delete your photos or apps, but it will reset Wi-Fi passwords and system settings. To do this, open the Settings app, tap General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset and choose Reset All Settings. Your iPhone will now restart. Once it turns back on, test the flashlight again. If the flashlight icon is completely grayed out, even after trying everything, there may be a hardware issue with the LED flash. In that case, you may need to contact Apple support. And that's how you fix iPhone flashlight not working issue. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.